Here is a mushroom. It's a fruiting body of a much larger network of mycelium underground. Under the cap of the mushroom, either in the gills or the pores, meiosis is happening to produce haploid spores. They're then thrown out into the environment and land somewhere and begin to grow and divide through mitosis to become hyphal threads. They're not male or female egg or sperm, but they are haploid. We call them positive and negative mating types, which means that they are different in their genetic makeup. They begin to grow and form networks in the soil through mitosis. Because they don't have flagella or pollen grains like sperm that we've seen before, they just wait until their networks of positive and negative mating type cross each other in the soil. When they cross, they fuse together. Their chromosomes will combine to make one combined mycelium and become diploid. This is called plasmogamy. After they've combined and grow and obtain sufficient resources, they will continue the cycle and form a fruiting body or a mushroom.